Today we're working on lab 4, which is the implementation of sequence control for our auto and manual modes. I have a function call block for auto and a call block for manual as well. And then I also have a block for our FC edge detection, which requires the positive signal of the start button being pressed. If we take a look in our auto mode, you can see that I've implemented timers on each step according to which actuator is going to be actuated. For our actuator A cylinders, I have implemented a time delay of 1 second, and for our actuator C, a timer has been implemented of 2 seconds. And then for our last actuator B, a timer has been implemented for 3 seconds. Each step transitions smoothly with the input of a move function, which allows us to move fluidly through the sequence. At the end of the sequence, I have it moving back to the start of the sequence so that it runs continuously, automated on its own without the influence of our start push button. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on our field device. We are in auto mode and it is in its starting state. All that is required is a press of the start button. And you can see the timers working for each actuator. And that is one complete cycle, and it will continue on due to the way I have the logic set up. I've also implemented a stop function to where the system stops when you hit stop, but does not reset. It halts until the start button is pressed again. It can resume its last command in whatever step it's left on. So if I stop right there and put it in manual mode, we can see the implementation of our trig function, which requires the positive signal of the start button on each step. And that was step 0 for initializing. Which allows us to troubleshoot when in jog mode, requiring that positive signal. And you can see if I hold the start button down, it will not continue to the next step until the positive signal is received once again. Thank you.